Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be making another lip gloss video, and all ingredients and everything used will be listed down below in the description area. Be sure to like this video and comment on this video with any questions or video suggestions, and I will interact with you guys in the comments as I always do. And yeah, I'm making a cotton candy lip gloss, and it's a 3-color lip gloss, and I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video. Make sure that you watch it all the way to the end for me. One more thing I like to mention is that I will be doing a raffle for over 25 lip glosses for $5 this month, and I will be doing a lip gloss bundle giveaway at 800 subscribers. Once all my lip gloss supplies run out and I just purchase more, after that runs out, I will no longer be making lip gloss anymore. That's why I encourage you all to comment and let me know what colors you guys want me to make or any colors you guys want me to try before you purchase the things to make it for your own business. But I personally have different entrepreneur things that I want to do, and lip gloss is no longer one of them. That's why I encourage you all to comment and let me know any glosses you guys want me to make. And if you see any lip glosses that you like on my YouTube page, be sure to get them, because when they sell out, I'm not remaking them. And I have about 5 new gloss videos on my channel, and I'm not making them anymore, but I will leave my videos and stuff up for upcoming lip gloss businesses.
That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up.
that is all, folks. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue to make these videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye.